The day started out like any other. She was happy. Life was good. Until one day, things changed. Bloody tears.
Hurry up, honey. We got gold. We're running out of times.
All set to get dressed. We're gonna go to the zoo today. It's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna go see first. Oh, good. Me too. Then what? Oh, goody. Me too. What's your favorite? Tell me. Oh, good. You know what mine is? Koala bears. You know why? Because they sleep all day long. Oh, you look so nice.
Promise me you'll always love me. You'll never leave me alone.
Oh, that's so great. Thank you.
Oh, gosh. T'as pas encore fini là?
Tais-toi.
Dépêche-toi, chérie. On doit s'y aller.
Speak English.
I'm actually done.
You know I'm not. You're the most beautiful and precious thing that could happen in my life.
You're perfect. You're a hard worker. You're the best.
I wish I would have known you before my ex. Let's see. It wouldn't make any difference. Because 20 years ago, the society wouldn't even let us be together.
Oh,
Hello? Hello, who is this?
Get down!
Go get them. I want the son and the mother.
Hey, is this yours? Oh, okay. No, I guess. I'll do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Jacob! Jacob! Jacob!
Jacob! Where he is at? Where's my son? Oh.
Jacob! Jacob! Where's my son? Jacob! Have you seen my son? Are you alright? No! Gosh! It is! Let's call 911. Where did you get this?
Hey, Lucy. Nice to see you again. Let's have some drink first. I guess you drink some fancy wine. But today, welcome to my class. Cheers. Isn't it you teach me money, it's not always important? I need my dignity back. You divided my family. You took my man. We have been together since I was in high school. I don't want your money. I just want you to suffer.